Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have, guys, a different year from that generation, it will work as well. We're going to open the fuse box that's under the hood in the engine bay, but let's first talk why it's super important to test fuses. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Okay, you can see how we have different kinds of fuses, guys, and relays. Some of those could be really expensive at a parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where we get them online at a really good price. So if you look right here, that's the first row of fuses and relays, excuse me, that's the relays, and here it's the fuses. The first fuse that we'll need to check is known as fuse number F-15, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 40 amp fuse, that's, guys, okay, for the high speed radiator fan. Another fuse that controls the radiator fan, guys, is that one right here. This one is known as fuse number F63, okay, and if you come in this row right here, you're going to have another fuse right here, guys, and this one will be fuse number F77, 1, 2, 3. Third one from left to right, that 10 amp fuse in our case, it's for the radiator fans as well. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.